This is the common problem, your aircon running and then dripping water from the aircon. So most of the people facing problems like that, and then they don't know how to fix it. Actually, this is the very simple and easy to resolve this kind of problems. So this video will help you how you can resolve your problem if your aircon is dripping water from the aircon and then spoiling your things. Currently this our house aircon is dripping the water and then spoiling all these cabinets and then the beds. So I'm going to repair. That's why I make the video, so you can understand how you can repair your aircon by yourself. And then it's quite dirty. If my camera can show you, you can see it's so dirty. So we need to also wash out this aircon and then clean the filter, everything. And then so first of all we need to open the cover to remove everything. So if you can see, it's like how many years didn't service or clean. You can see here the tissue and then the dust inside the air conditioner filter, and then everything is quite dirty. So we need to remove first the filters. We removed already the filters.
The actual problem is drain pipe. Drain pipe is stuck and then the water cannot go in the drain pipe, and then the aircon is dripping water. That is the actual causes, because the aircon dripping water. So we have to clean this drain pipe properly and then take out the dust. Then I'm using this pressure pump to clean. so everything is ready to use. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video.